hold like this only, yeah. First formula, so 1, this is 2, this one 3, and now this is 4, now 5, now 6. Okay, then again 7, 8, 9, 10,
That like usual.
11 up to here. We should get up to here. 11. Okay. Then 12. 13. One came. Okay. Now this one. Second one. 1. So it was 1. Now it is 2. Now 3. Then 4. Then 5. 6. Now 7. 8. It is 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then this 3 times. 14, 15, 16.
Again that like low off.
Shall I keep? I will keep. Okay. Reverse we should come. This first. Continue. See. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Now
9.
9. 8.
8.
7. 6.
Yes.
Okay. 6.
5.
Then 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Okay. Now this. 13. 12. 11. 10. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Then 6. 5. 4. 3.
2.
2.
1.
In this manner we have to solve.